Alright, back in Gorilla Town. What is this, bro? Ain't no way, bro. Where you get? Okay, but otherwise, today we're playing Scary Baboon. Basically, we're playing Scary Baboon. I've played this before, but apparently just got a huge new update, so we're gonna be checking it out. I may as well just check out this game on my own, because I ain't a scaredy cat. I'm big boy. What the monster? Bro, this game sucks. Events coming soon. Yeah, right. Don't uninstall. How much is this? That's $5 whole. Okay, well, since the main servers are down right now, we can go ahead and check out the wacky game modes. There's no one playing this. Getting a server again. Oh. Finally!
No, that's crazy though.
Let's go!
He like...
No! Call this elevator.
Toilet will be mine.
What you?
No, I don't want that. No, I don't want that.
What's this?
In the door again.
Repulation. Bro, where the goof? Okay, stick on the ceiling, baby. Wow. But we really decided to disintegrate. Without my permission. Oh. And he died. Great. Just what I needed. The last remaining survivor is me.
No, I don't want that.
Somebody changed
Great.
your life. That somebody did is gone.
Oh, put me down.
Yeah. I'm not blocking you, bro. Stop blocking you. Whatever. No, I'm still getting skiing by this little bitch.
Y'all. Have y'all ever heard the hit game Among Us?
Close it now.
Today we're gonna be.
Oh, no.
Everybody line up.
Forward. Listen. What the signal? It gone, guys. It gone. Yo, follow me. Follow me. Blue's in danger. This way. Blue's in danger. Blue's in danger. We need to go
This way.
Blue's in danger.
He died! He perished!
They died. Hey, yo, what they're doing?
I shoot there.
What the signal?
Where do you go? Do
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, come to the secret place.
Well, those kids are still dead. Aha, rip.
What's the signal?